Today is the most exciting day of the build yet, in my opinion. We are going to fab up a tray. So we did do up like a sort of a static drawing and got like what's called a cutting list, and then sent that off to a steel supply place, and they've pre-cut everything. Let's get cracking on a tray. Let's go. Tonight, I'm going to continue on the tray build. Do want to get this like center headboard, this beam here, it's just resting there at the moment just to get my height. But I do have my tail lights that actually came yesterday in the mail, so I'd love to get them just sort of fitted up. Heaps more welding, heaps more cutting to do. The mounts are getting beefed up, the welds are going to get better. This is all about learning new skills, doing things I've never done before, which is obviously fabrication stuff. I haven't done too much fabrication. Hopefully we can dial in some fat welds and get this party started. So I've just cut this bit of flat bar out here and sort of just held it up there, and I think that looks a lot better. We've got our floor sitting out there ready to go on. We've also got the mud guards sitting up on top there. do need to go through and fill all these little gaps today. So we run a piece of tape underneath to hold the sticker, then we do a nice bead right along. At the moment as we're going through, and we're going to start wiring up these lights. We figured if we get the lights wired up, by the time the tray's painted, it'll actually just be ready to plonk back on and drive. Buy this KO66. I'm going to go through and just basically spray all the inside. Surprisingly, we're working on the tray again. Today's painting day. We need to sand down the whole thing, prime it, wipe it, paint it.
Let's get this tray black.
There's something in the air.
Obviously, we're very illegal on the wheel here. I need to do a drop mud flat. This is the number plate light. Put the rear number plate on, and boys, we're out on the road.